Do you already know how to finger the B chord, but are struggling to get a good sound? Here are 5 things you need to know. Let's do this. Hi, I'm Thomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success, where I help you learn guitar and, most importantly, to love your guitar learning journey. The B chord is one of the most difficult chords for budding guitarists. This is a case where little understanding can go a long way. Here are 5 secrets that'll make the difference between frustration and struggle and playing with fluidity and ease. The first is to prepare before you actually need to use the B chord. Now, I know how it usually goes. We're playing and we come to a song or something we want to learn that all of a sudden uses a chord we don't know, like the B chord. So we rush out to either find it on YouTube or in one of our books, or maybe I'm dating myself, probably YouTube these days, and figure out how to finger the B chord. And to our surprise, it's not that easy. Well, this is one of those chords that you're going to need to work on. And if you just accept that, it'll make the whole thing much easier. Practice before you actually need it in a song or anywhere else. Number 2, start with the easiest version. Now, there are a number of different versions. Some require a bar chord, and some even require both a bar and a partial bar. But by learning the easier version, first of all, you can put it into practice. But second of all, the easier version is actually a good stepping stone to learning the more complex versions. And by doing this, you'll get a sense of accomplishment and success that you can build on. If you start with a difficult one from the beginning, get frustrated, you're kind of dead in the water, and that frustration leads into all of your guitar playing. Number 3, practice using exercises, not just playing songs. This is something I see budding guitarists do all the time. They don't want to bother with boring exercises, so they just keep learning song after song and never quite master the song. The thing is, if you're learning a technique like the B chord, and it only comes once every so often in the song, it takes you a long time to really get enough repetitions. And that's the key, correct repetitions. So use exercises that repeat something you're working on, like the B chord, over and over and over in a short period of time. And that will get you where you want to go much faster than playing in songs. Number 4, practice for short periods, but lots of them. So practice for 3 to 5 minutes on these exercises for the B chord, and then put the guitar down or go on to something else and come back at it again later, maybe even several sessions a day. If you really want to make progress fast, practice short sessions, but many of them. Not try to barrel through one long session and then get frustrated that the next day it doesn't really work as you hoped. And finally, number 5, go easy on yourself. Accept that this is a difficult chord and it takes practice, and the rewards are worth it. It's one of those things that if it wasn't difficult, you wouldn't feel the sense of accomplishment when you could finally do it. So plan on taking a little at a time, working at it, and using it until little by little it gets better. And know that that's just normal. Nothing wrong with you. That's the way it is. And that whole attitude actually can help your whole learning process be a lot more fun and rewarding. Thanks for joining me. I'm Thomas Michaud. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video, and please leave me a comment. Anything, good, bad, let me know how you like this video. Remember, learning guitar is a journey, not a destination. I'll see you again soon.